Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 16th, 2025, and we're diving into Morgan Stanley's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Morgan Stanley has delivered an impressive set of results, and I'm excited to break them down with you today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Morgan Stanley reported net revenues of $16.2 billion for the fourth quarter, a significant increase from $12.9 billion a year ago. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth in revenue is primarily driven by strong performance across their institutional securities and wealth management segments. The firm also reported a net income of $3.7 billion, translating to an EPS of $2.22, which is a substantial improvement from the previous year. The return on tangible common equity, or ROTCE, was an impressive 20.2%, highlighting their efficient capital management.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you elaborate on the performance of Morgan Stanley's key segments?
Sure. Institutional securities reported revenues of $7.3 billion, driven by strong client activity and improved market conditions. Wealth management also performed well, with revenues of $7.5 billion, supported by record asset management revenues and increased client activity. Investment management contributed $1.6 billion, benefiting from higher average assets under management. Overall, total client assets grew to $7.9 trillion, reflecting the firm's robust client engagement and strategic initiatives.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.65 for Morgan Stanley, but the actual EPS came in at $2.22. That's quite a beat. What does this tell us about the company's performance?
This significant beat of 57 per share indicates that Morgan Stanley has outperformed expectations, showcasing their strong operational execution and strategic positioning. The fact that 7 analysts had forecasted a lower EPS highlights the firm's ability to exceed market expectations, which is a positive signal for investors.
CEO's perspective and future outlook. Let's discuss the leadership's perspective. What did CEO Ted Pick have to say about these results and the future outlook?
Ted Pick emphasized the firm's strong execution across its 4 strategic pillars: strategy, culture, financial strength, and growth. He highlighted the firm's ability to create long-term value for shareholders, supported by a robust ROE of 18.8%. Looking ahead, Morgan Stanley is focused on maintaining its momentum and continuing to deliver strong financial performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Morgan Stanley has delivered a stellar performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with strong revenue growth, impressive EPS, and robust client asset management. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Morgan Stanley's ability to exceed expectations and deliver strong results across its segments positions it well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market conditions, but overall, the firm appears to be on a solid path forward.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Morgan Stanley's performance in the comments below.